Imagine your life is perfect in every aspect. What does that look like? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video is all about imagining the life that you want to live. Imagine your perfect life and think about what that involves. A lot of people go through life, having a vision of what they want, but they don't. But that normally just usually involves having acquired a lot of money and being financially free. You have to really think about what your life would look like if you eventually became successful, if you eventually became financially free. Would you be happy, or would you want to do more? Life is not about just chasing money, it also has to have a meaning. We see so many people that are wealthy and they're the most miserable people in life because they don't have anything else. Life is more than just about money. What makes you feel whole? What makes you feel good? Who are you really? What do you really stand for? What are your morals? What motivates you? You have to really think about everything that matters to you. What is your why for trying to become successful, or what is your why for trying to be the best version of yourself? That's what's more important than actually having attained financial freedom, having attained the most money you can get, because you don't want to eventually get to the top and then realize, now I have money, then what? See what your perfect life looks like, but imagine it from every single aspect rather than just from a financial point of view. Does it involve maybe caring for other people? Does it involve you sharing your wealth with your family? Does it involve you having surrounded by people you love? What does it involve? Think about beyond money. Part of being the best version of yourself and of the journey to becoming the best version of yourself is making sure that you've got everything well rounded, not just financially, emotionally and physically as well. And if while you're envisioning your perfect life, are you closer to where you want to be, or are you still far away from where you want to be? Using this time to reflect will really give you perspective on what it is that you're chasing. Sometimes you might get lost in the dream that you don't even realize that there are so many other things that are important than just you achieving your dreams. Yes, go after your dreams, but also think about all the other aspects that are very important to your life. And if you're nowhere near your dream, maybe now this is the time to work harder. Maybe now this is the time to implement a different strategy. Maybe it's now to even rewrite and have a different vision board. Vision boards change all the time. Your version of success may actually change every single time. That's why it's important to be able to take the time to reflect and imagine what your perfect life looks like. Fine, I know that life is not perfect, don't get me wrong, but what does your version of perfect look like? And try and achieve that, try and attain that, and every now and then make sure that you're reflecting within yourself. You're reflecting to see what's changed. You're reflecting and ticking off what you've actually managed to achieve. But don't put too much pressure on yourself if you haven't achieved things that you thought you were going to achieve. But every now and then take the time to reflect. Look at what your perfect life looks like. See how far you've come, how far you have to go, and do what it is that's required to have your version of success, your version of your perfect life, and your version of a perfect team and best relationships you have, whether that be romantically, platonically, or with family. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.